Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Tech Channel. In today's tutorial, we will be showing you how to change your phone number on Facebook. In order to change your phone number, first of all open up your web browser. Then in the address bar, type in facebook.com and press enter. Log into your account if necessary by using your email address or your phone number and your password. Once you are logged in, just click on your account icon at the top right corner. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Now click on Settings and you will be taken into your account settings page. Now from the list of menus on the left, just click on Mobile. This will take you into your phone settings page. In order to change your phone number, you will first need to add another mobile number and then delete the first one. So just click on Add another mobile phone number and then just type in your phone number and select your country code. Also click on Send me a text and then click on the Continue button. Now you will be asked to enter your confirmation code. This will be sent to your phone number by SMS. After typing in your confirmation code, click on the Confirm button. Now you will see that you have two phone numbers on your Facebook account. Now you can just click on the Remove button underneath your old phone number in order to remove this. After clicking on Remove, you will be asked if you are sure that you want to remove this number. Click on the checkbox and then click on the Remove Number button. This will remove your old phone number from your Facebook account. And now you can log into your Facebook account using your new phone number. So that is how simple it is to change your Facebook phone number. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.